Hi champs, so welcome back again to all of you in the sixth day of the week of code. So before starting the session, let's talk about the yesterday assignment. So in the yesterday assignment, you have to change the location in the same project which we are making yesterday. So you have to change the location in the chatbot app. So for this, you have to ask the question, where do you want to go with the four options? School, playground, space or party. And based on your reply, you have to change the location to school, playground, space or party. But still, if you are facing any problem during completing the project, then you can ask your question on WhatsApp, on Google Classroom, and also you can ask your question in the weekend live session without any agitation. Okay, so let's start the session. So today we will make the paint app. So the app which we are going to make today, it will look something like it. So with this app, you will be able to draw any drawing as you are able to draw on the Microsoft Paint app. And not only this, at the end, we will also make the eraser for erasing your drawing, as you are able to see on the screen. Okay. So before starting to making the app, first let's know about some main blocks and extensions which we are going to use in the Paint app. And the first block is broadcast. Okay. So Chance, can you tell me what is the meaning of the broadcast word according to you? Okay. So broadcast is simply sending a message from one side to another side, sending some information from one side to another side. Suppose from your WhatsApp or from your smartphone, you are sending a message from your side to your friend. Then it's a broadcast. You are broadcasting a message from one side to another side. And in the same way, if you want to broadcast some information, if you want to send a message from one sprite to another sprite in the Scratch editor, then there is a block under the event section with the name of broadcast. Okay, so you can find this block with the name of broadcast under the event section in the Scratch editor. And with this block, you can send any message from one sprite to another sprite. And again, sprite is the character or the object for which we have to write the code. So the Scratch editor, sprite is the character or the object. So if you want to send a message from one object to another object in the Scratch editor, then you can use this broadcast block. And you can send any message. So for writing your message, just click on this drop down arrow, click on new message, and you can type any message. Okay. So first come on the scratch.mit.edu. Click on the create. Okay. So you can find this broadcast block under the event section. And if you want to type any message, then just click on this drop down arrow, click on new message, and you can type any message which you want to send. And how you can send, we will also see this. So you can type any message and you can send. But how we can send it from one sprite to another sprite, we will also see this. Okay, so first come on the slides. So using this broadcast block, you can create a message and also you can send a message. But if you're sending a message from one sprite to another sprite, and if you want to perform some action when the receiver receives the message, then in that situation also there is a block in the same section event when I receive. So using this block, you can trigger any condition. So when you receive the message from the sender side, then you can perform any action when you receive the message. Okay. So if you are confusing between the broadcast and receiver, then no problem. Let's see the demonstration of the same in the Scratch editor. Okay. So come on the Scratch editor, remove this. Now let's take a two sprite. One is already there, which is cat. Let's take the another one, a monkey. Okay. So click on this icon, click on choose a sprite. In the search bar, type the monkey. Click on it. And now in the Scratch editor, we have the two sprites. One is cat and another one is monkey. And now if you want to send a message from cat to monkey, and when the monkey receives the message, it will perform some action. Then in that situation, we can use the broadcast block and the when I receive some message block. Okay. So if I want to send a message from the cat side to monkey side, then click on the cat because I want to send a message from the cat side, and select the block. In the code tab, go to the event section and select the block broadcast message, and you can type any message by click on the drop down arrow, click on the new message, and you can type any message. Hi monkey. And also add some trigger for sending a message. So when flag clicked, just send the message or broadcast the information, hi monkey. And now come on the monkey. So when the monkey receives the message, it will also say hi cat. So again go to the event section, drag when I receive, and you can choose the message, and the message is hi monkey. And when the monkey receives the message, it will also say hi cat. So go to the look section for saying something and drag the first block with the name of say something for some second. And here you can write your message. Say hi cat for 2 seconds. And now go to the cat sprite. Click on the flag icon for sending the message. And when you send the message, and when the monkey will receive the message, it will say hi cat for 2 seconds automatically. So just click on the flag icon and see the changes on the stage. So when I'm clicking on the flag icon, the cat sprite is broadcasting the message hi monkey. And when the monkey is receiving the message hi monkey, it is saying hi cat. So just for sending a message from one person to another person and one sprite to another sprite, you can use this broadcast or receive block. So in this pane tab, so first come on this slide. So in the pane tab which we are going to make today, we are going to use this broadcast and receive block for changing the color of the pencil, the drawing color and also the pencil color. So we will see during making the project. Okay. So come on the next one. And also we are going to use some extension for making the paint tab. And the name of the extension is pen. So go to your Scratch editor, click on the create button, rename your project to the paint tab and also add the pen extension. So for adding the pen extension, let's see on the Scratch editor that how we can add the pen extension. Okay. So first go to the scratch.mit.edu, click on the create button, it's taking the time. Click on the create button, rename your project from untitled to paint tab. And now, first we want to add the pen extension. So for adding the extension, click on this blue icon on the bottom left side. Click on this icon, and for adding the pen extension, just click on it and the extension will be added automatically. So when you click on that pen, the pen extension will added automatically, and you can see the different blocks. That's it. So for adding the pen extension, just click on this blue icon on the bottom left side, click on the pen, and the extension will add it automatically. So again, come on the slides. So we are done by adding the pen extension. And now decorate your stage by combining the background and the sprite. So for the background, there is no need to add the background because as you are able to see on the screen, the background is white. So there is no need to add the background in this paint tab. And in the sprite section, add the pencil sprite, a red color box sprite, yellow color box, blue color box, green color box, and also the black color box. So for the stage decoration, there is no need to add the background, but you have to add the different sprite. The one is pencil sprite, and the another 5 is color box: red, yellow, blue, green, and black. So go to the Scratch editor. First delete the default sprite, which is cat, because there is no need to add the cat sprite in the paint tab, and add the different sprite as you are able to see on the screen. Pencil and the 5 color boxes: red, yellow, blue, green, and black. So go to the Scratch editor. First of all, delete the cat sprite, and now add the different sprite based on the requirement of our project. The first one is pencil. So click on this icon, click on search bar for choosing the sprite. In the search bar, search the pen or the pencil, and click on this sprite for adding it on the stage. Not only this, we also have to add the 5 color boxes: red, yellow, green, blue and black. So again, click on this option, click on choose a sprite and just search the color boxes or search the box. Oh, but there is no any sprite as we want, but no problem. We can also make it. We can also draw it in the Scratch editor. So again, click on this option and now click on this paint. And here we can paint our own sprite according to our requirement. Okay, so come on the slide, and in the sprite section, we are done by adding the pencil sprite, but also we have to need the different color boxes with a different color, like red, yellow, blue, green and black. So just make the color boxes with a different color. And for making the boxes, you can choose this rectangle tool under the paint and just drag it for drawing it. And place it on the center. As you are able to see, the center edge with the circle and the plus icon. So place your sprite, which is color box, to the center and fill it with the red color. And also the outline of this box with the red color. Okay. And if you want to add the different color boxes with the same size, then copy the same. And for copy it, click on it. So for selecting this box, click on the select tool and then click on the sprite. And for copy it, click on the copy button. So now we can use the same size of boxes for the different color. And also don't forget to rename your sprite. So this one is red color, then rename it to the red. In the same way, add the different color boxes like yellow, green, black and blue. Again, click on paint. Just paste it. Change the color from red to yellow. Also the outline color. And also rename it to the yellow one. So follow the same process for the rest of the color boxes. Rename it to the green. So we are done with the red, yellow and green. So make it also blue and black. Sorry, we have to paint it from on. Okay. So if you are confusing how I am pasting the same color boxes, then for this, just click on the paste button, or you can use the shortcut key with the Ctrl+P. for pasting the same size of box, same size of color box as we have copied when we are making the red color box. So you can use the paste button, and also you can use the Ctrl+V shortcut key for paste. Change the fill color and also the outline color. Click on the paste, change it to the black. Okay. So we are done with the state decoration. The one problem is some of the color boxes we have to forget to rename it. So the red one is with the red color, yellow color box with the yellow name, green with the green, the blue change the name or the rename it from the costume to blue, and in the same way for the black, rename it from the costume 1 to black, and also place it in a good manner on the stage, as we are able to see on this slide. So place the color boxes and the pencil in the same way. So come on the Scratch editor and place the color boxes in the same way: red, yellow, green, blue, and black. And change the pencil size to make it small. And for changing the size of the sprite, use this option. So there is a size option for changing the size, and here I am changing the size from the 100 to 70. Okay. So we are done with the state decoration. Come on the slides again. So in this paint tab, there is no need to add the background, and we are done with the pencil sprite, red color box, yellow, blue, green, and also black. So we are done with the state decoration part. Now come on the coding section. So just read the step and write the code for the same. So the step first is we have to write the code for drawing with the pen. So first of all, we have to write the code for drawing with the pen. So come on the Scratch editor and write the code for the same step. So the step first stage, we have to write the code for drawing with the pen. So go to the pen section, and there are the different blocks. One is for pen down. So using this block, you can write something. But if you want to up your pen, then you can use this. So this is the opposite of this pen down. But in the first step, we have to write the code for drawing with the pen. So let's use it. The first one. So we have to down the pen. So before this, add some event. So when we click on the flag, the pen down, the pen should be able to draw something. So let's click on the flag icon. But we are not able to draw anything with the help of pen. But still we are able to see some tiny dots. These dots on the screen. Okay. So just take this block inside the forever section. So go to the control, drag the forever. And click on the flag icon and see the changes on the stage. But still we are able to see some tiny dots, not able to draw anything. Okay, so stop it. And for drawing anything, we have to move the pencil. We have to move the sprite. So for this, go to the motion section and we have to change it according to our mouse pointer. We have to change the movement of the sprite according to our mouse pointer. So go to the motion section and drag the block with the name of GoTo. Click on the drop down arrow and choose the mouse pointer option. So each time it will go according to our mouse pointer and it will draw something. So just attach this block inside the forever. Click on the flag icon and see the changes on the stage. Now we are able to draw with the help of the pencil. But it is drawing again and again. We are not able to stop it. Right? So first stop the program and now we have to resolve it. The problem is we are able to draw with the help of the pencil, but it's drawing, we are not able to stop it. So now we have to write the code. We have to draw only when we click with the mouse, as we will draw in the MS Paint. So first stop the program and now resolve the problem which we are getting in the last step. So first clear the screen, and for clearing the screen go to the pens section, drag the erase all block, click on it and your screen now clean. Okay, so now we have to write the code. The pencil will only draw when our mouse is down. So the pencil will only draw when our mouse is down. So for this, go to the sensing section and there is a block with the name of mouse down. So if our mouse is down, then draw with the pencil, else up the pencil. So now go to the control section and add the if else condition. So if the mouse is down, add this condition in the hexagon block, then down the pen, else up the pen, and attach this block inside the forever or below the go to mouse pointer. Now click on the flag icon and see the changes on the stage. And now the pencil will only draw if you click with the mouse. Okay. Yeah. So now we will only able to draw when my mouse is clicked. But still there is another problem. And the problem is the pencil is not drawing with their tip, with their point. So for resolving it, just set the costume of this pencil to the center. So click on the costume section and this is the costume, and just make the tip of this pencil near to the center. So first of all select it, and for selecting it, click on the select tool, drag your cursor around this pencil and now set the tip of this pencil near to the center, and the center is with the plus and the circle near to the center. And now click on the code section, code tab. And now the pencil will draw with their tip. Okay. So now we are able to draw with the use of the pencil. But again, there is a problem. If I'm clicking on the flag, so after stopping the program, when I'm restarting the program, clicking on the flag icon, the screen is not clearing. So for clean the screen, when I'm clicked on the flag icon, erase all the things which are available on the screen. So for erasing all the things, go to the pen section and there is a block with the name of erase all. So drag this block from the left side and attach it below to the when flag click. So now each time when I'm clicked on the flag icon, it will remove or delete all the things or all the drawing which are available on the screen. So click on the flag icon and draw the new drawing each time. So for restarting it, just click on the flag icon and your screen will be clean. Okay, so come on this slide and see the next step. Okay, so the step 2 is drawing only when the mouse is clicked, and we are already done with the second step. Come on the third step, and in the third step, now when you click on the red color box, so on this stage there the different color boxes are available, which is the sprite. So when you click on the red color box, change the color of the pen to red and also change the costume to red. So in this third step, when we click on the red color box, change the color of the pen to red and also the costume of it to the red. Okay, so first stop it. So for stopping the program, just click on the red circle button. And now we have to write the program. When we click on this red color box, so when I'm click on the red color box, change the costume of the pencil to the red and also the color of the pencil to the red. And these are the two sprites. The pencil is one sprite and the red color box is another sprite. So if you want to rename it, you can also rename it. Okay, so first rename all the color boxes name. Red, yellow. So this is the sprite name and earlier we rename it costume name. Yellow, green, blue and the black. Hello. Okay, so we have renamed the sprite name also, and the step is we have to write the code. When we click on the red color box, change the costume of the pencil to the red and also the color of the pencil to the red. So the red color box is one sprite and the pencil is another sprite. So now we have to use the broadcast block for sending a message from one sprite to another sprite. Okay. And because we also want to change the costume of the pencil to the red one, when I'm clicked on the red color box, then for this, we have to make the red color pencil. So click on the pencil sprite, go to the costume section and make the duplicate of it, the same pencil. And for making the duplicate, right click on the duplicate button, because we also want to the red color costume for the same pencil, and rename it to the pencil red, and also change the color from yellow to red. So click on this area and just change the color. Okay. And now write the code. When I'm click on this red color box, then change the costume and also the color of the pencil to red. And this box is the sprite. So when I'm click on this sprite, so click on this red color sprite, because now we want to write the code for this sprite. So when this sprite click, so go to the event section, and there is a block with the name of when this sprite click. So when this sprite click, we have to trigger the event in the pencil section. We have to change the costume and also the color of the pencil to red. So when this sprite click, just broadcast the message red click. Like the broadcast. Click on the new message. Type your message. Red click. Come on the pencil, and when the pencil will receive the message, I receive red click, and change the color of the message. Changing the color and there is a block with the name of pencil. The pencil color red. So change the pencil color to red. Change it to the red. Now to the costume of the pencil to red. So for changing the costume, go to the look section. There is a block with the name of we want to switch the costume to the pencil red. So now click on the red color box. Click on the flag icon. Now click on the red color box. Now the pencil is drawing with the pencil. So come on the slide. To the next step. So till now, we are done with the third step. And the next step is we have to follow the same process for all the color boxes. Okay. So let's do the same process for all the color boxes. So first of all, stop the program. So in the same way, do it for the yellow. So again, make a pencil with the yellow color. And there is already a costume of the pencil with the yellow color. So just rename it from the pencil A to yellow. Come on the yellow color box sprite. Come on the code section code tab. So first broadcast the message. And for broadcasting the message, go to the event section. So when you click on this sprite, so when this sprite clicked, broadcast, yellow click. And when this message received by the pencil, so when I receive yellow clicked, then set the pen color to yellow. And also change the costume to the yellow. So go to the look section and switch costume to pencil yellow. And check after each step. So click on the flag icon and now check for the yellow color. Yeah, I'm able to draw with the yellow color. Do the same process for the green, blue, and black. So first, I again need to make the yellow color pencil. Sorry, green color pencil. We are done with the yellow color. Rename it to the pencil green. Come on the green color box. Write the code when this sprite click. When you click on this red color box, so go to the event section. When this sprite click, broadcast, green click. And when this message received by the pencil, so when I receive green click, okay. So if you want to duplicate the same script, you can use it. So click on the top of the script section, right click, click on the duplicate, because each time we have to use the same script. So when I receive green click, set pen's color to green and also switch costume to the green. Check it again. Yeah. So first of all, make the green. We are done with the green color. Now make the blue color pencil. Change the color from the green to black, blue. And also rename it to the pencil blue. Click on the green color box. Come on the code section. So when this sprite click, when you click on this sprite, now broadcast the message blue click. And when this message received by the pencil, so again duplicate it. So when the pencil received the blue click, set pen color to blue and also change the costume to the pencil blue. Do the same for the black one also. So first make a black color pencil by duplicating the last one. Click on the select tool for selecting the color part of the pencil because we want to change the color. Okay. And rename it to the pencil black. And now come on the code tab and write the code. When you click on this sprite, broadcast black clicked. And when this message received by the pencil, black clicked, set pen color to black and also change the costume to the pencil black. And we are done with all of the color boxes. And now just check it on the stage one by one, each color. So first stop the program, restart the program by click on the flag icon and check each color box one by one. So now when I'm clicked on the yellow one, the pencil color and also the costume has been changed to yellow. Okay. So we are done with the fourth step. And anyone facing any problem, if you are facing any problem during making the same, then you can ask your question on the WhatsApp after this session. Okay, so come on this slide. Now the next step is add a slider on the stage for changing the width. So if you want to change the width of your drawing, which is the pen size. So if you want to change the width of your drawing, then you can use this slider. So in the step number 5, we have to add a slider on the stage for changing the width of the drawing. So come on the Scratch editor, stop the program, and now we have to add a slider for changing the width of the drawing. So go to the variable section, because each time we have to change the value with the help of this variable, which is the width. So go to the variable section, click on make a variable, name it to the width, click on OK, and now right click on this width variable which you are able to see on the screen and just change it to the slider by clicking on the slider option. And now we have to change the width of our drawing with the help of this width variable, which is a slider. And if you want to change the range from 0 to 100 to 0 to 10, just again click on the right click on this width variable, click on the change slider range, and you can change the range. What should be minimum, what should be maximum. So here I'm changing from 0 to 10 only. And now the range of the slider is 0 to 10. But in this step number 5, we have to use this slider for changing the width of the drawing. And for changing the width of the drawing, under the pen section, there is a block with the name of there are two blocks, one with the set pen size to some value and the another one with the change pen size by some value. But here we have to use set pen size according to the value of the width variable. So first of all, drag the set pen size block by going to the pen section and attach this block under the forever section, and we have to set the pen size according to the width variable. So set pen size to width. So for adding the width, go to the variable section, drag this width variable from the left side and attach it under this pen size, set pen size to width. And now check it by clicking on the flag icon. Now the size of the pencil is 0. Just change it from the 0 to 2. Draw it again. So now also we are able to change the width of our drawing. Check it again with the different color. Yeah. So now we are able to change the width of our drawing as in the step number 5. Okay. So we are done with the 5th step, and now come on the step number 6. And in the step number 6, we have to add a delete button sprite. So there are the two ways. The first one is when you click on that sprite, then instantly erase all the things using the erase all block. And the another one is when you click on that sprite, just broadcast the message delete, and in the pen section when you receive the message, then also erase all. Okay, so let's see the same on the scratch, no problem. So step number 6, we have to add a delete button sprite. So for adding the delete button, first add a sprite, search delete, but there is no any sprite is available with the name of delete. Just check with the cross or the wrong. Oh, there is no any symbol. Just search the button. Yeah. So there is a button with the cross icon. So here I am using the button 5 for the delete button. First stop this program. And now when you click on this delete button, delete all the drawing, erase all the drawing which are available on the stage. So just write the code. When this sprite click, erase all. That's it. And check it by click on this cross icon. So also now we are done with the step number 6, which is add a delete button sprite. So we are done by adding the delete button sprite. Now also when I'm clicking on that sprite, it is erasing all the drawing which are available on the screen. Okay, so we are done with all of these steps. And now come on the assignment. So in the today's assignment, you have to make a eraser. So in the same paint tab which we are making, in the same paint tab, you have to add the eraser. So when you click on that eraser, you will be able to remove something, not all the drawing. You will be able to remove something. And for making the eraser, just choose any sprite similar to the eraser, which look like eraser, and when you click on that sprite, just broadcast any message, and when you receive the message, change the color of the pencil to the white, and also change the costume to the same sprite which you are using for the eraser. Okay, so try it from yourself, but still you are not able to get it, then no problem. You can ask your question in the Google Classroom or WhatsApp, and still you are not able to complete the same, then you can ask your question in the weekend live session. Okay, so bye, see you tomorrow on the same platform, and tomorrow we will make the boat race game. So bye.